princess.
I saw work over here, so dog. I saw we work over here, so if one man says Jayden don't like beer, then want me see them and diss them. You have people in my comment section where say, yo, Jayden, diss me, please.
What?
For real, bro.
What? Chat, me did know the majority of them women up on the app no sense, you know. The same thing we are reason about this man.
Them know me not mean it, because if it mean it, would have blocked them.
Jesus Christ.
You have someone I'm comment to talk about. Them a talk about Jayden, my cat died. Just cause they want me this them.
And them thing that me a talk about, people will all say, yo, Jayden, when I'm an animal then drop out, you be like, oh, suck your mama, where you tell me that for? Big pussy girl. I say, bro, can me watch your life them more while, you know? I say, bro.
Yeah, man, me no watch me and get this start.
You not even do no other.
Yeah, man, me no watch me and learn and get this start. That's it.
Not learn nothing, bro.
Yeah,
Me just pass through your life, cause more while you go out with some fuckery, dog, and me there and nothing to do, and me want to laugh, bro. Me come by your life.
So, you never said me nothing like just say, alright, me get a youth or two things. So I say, kind of funny. So I say,
ah, man, slime need it more, man. We give slime. Me always go over slime, God bless him.
So me I give joke and you give slime.
I not said that, but slime just in a different situation where the slime need help. You see it? At the end of the day, the two of them, my dog, bro, but slime, you good, bro. You're alright in a life, Jayden. Slime not really. Slime a try.
Bro, every man have the same 24 hours now, what them do with it.
We know that, but not everybody have the same talent.
Me not talent.
That's enough. Bro, if you never have no talent, you would name 8 boss today, you would the right or something.
I would be king though.
If me never know so much about woman and them thing, them would get to look forward neither. Everybody have them own a talent, my dog. Your talent have just slapness. Or me not know, but you have talent.
And what your talent?
My talent a girls class.
My talent to that. You see, let me tell you.
Yeah, I know me wrong before, you know? With girls class, I know that.
So you make me get rich on you.
You don't know that. I know what you kind of over here, bro. You don't know that.
You got it out. Yeah, me and you know.
Yeah.
You see something, let me tell you. Let me tell you why me get rich on you. Guys, see certain thing where you follow, me not follow.
Like what?
Like all dressing. Nobody now say nothing look good on whatever it is.
No, one time, you never did say that the last time when me, you and Swiss Diaries about dressing. You say you like it and you follow it up. But you may get the king for dressing now, you nobody want to follow it up, though.
That's about.
Now what day when we are playing the local 4-way with Swiss and everybody, you never say the dressing thing. Remember screen recording did there and
bro, let me tell you, me is a young youth dog, I'm not to follow up some certain things where people follow up, bro. You see, because what? Me know there's a future out there, dog.
So where you follow mix up for where people don't like follow?
A lie, you tell. Where you gone?
Man, so I lie me and tell chat. I never tell a lie on that youth yet.
A lie, you tell man. Watch out.
About who have more money, Jayden? Me not really care who are rich or me, bro. You see, from God bless me, dog. Me have my dream car, them. Everything me ever wanted, me have. Can't complain.
No, man. You have some out there right now where they really want. What is that?
I scratch off everything off of the bucket list, bro. Everything off of my bucket list scratch off. Me always want a Benz, me grab it. Me always want a Beamer, me buy it. Me always want travel, me do it. Me always want this, me do it. All of my bucket list scratch off, bro. Right now, if nothing for happen to me, you know, me not no regrets, you know. Me live a life where me ask for, you know. Me not no regrets.
How about us?
Us? Me also a bill. Me just not talk about it. We not fool, bro. Gary, so where I come from. We can't pay rent forever.
Oh, your house a bill? So how long a house a bill?
One good 2 years now. A little situation did go on and my father did end up running off with the money and a little something did go on. My father did rob away and thing. So the house did end up go up and pause and something, you see me?
Oh. You're smart.
That long before.
You're smart, you then, man.
I'm not fool, bro. I know over here no last forever, dog. I guess none. Thank you, you know. Over here no last forever, bro. So you have to get something up. Jayden, why you think enough man come over here and crash out and ball for give and them things?
Like our slime.
Them get the bus, bro, and them not use it wisely. You
Like
know what
our
them do?
slime.
Rum it out, gal it out, this it out. You can't do that, bro.
Like our slime.
Me don't know about no man, but me I show you our vibes. You can't do that, bro. You have to smart. You have to know, say, bro, anything will come easy, not stay forever. It go away quick.
True.
You see me?
So,
Me good man team. I reason man, child. Me good.
For real, bro. Yo, let me tell you something, figure it out. You're a smart youth, you know, dog, you see. You're a smart youth, you know. Sometimes you just lose, you just...
When them go screen a card me and say, so me have a house a bill and me have 2 things a go on. That must that, because me not
Yo,
see
you're a
nothing
smart youth, you know. But sometimes you just love you more too much.
You may get it from me, dog. You're a king for that.
Oh, so we have to...
They say you're more big. You're a king for that, man.
Swiftly, Swiftly, alright, Swiftly, they're my chat now. So where I say now?
What me I say?
You don't talk about the locks them also.
What about the locks them?
You don't tell me say me and Swiftly locks them fake.
Me I tell you about fear locks. How Swiss rich na this?
Yeah, but me did say, if me ask Swiftly now, you're not going to tell him that.
Tell him what?
They locks them fake. So tell him now,
But me say fear one fake. No, me say fear one fake. So you try look company and I bring down the dog with yourself.
Bro, me know, yo, watch out. Me I watch Swiftly if I'm small. Swiftly here can't grow past you, so.
Awa.
So he locks them when have you now. If you too.
I fear locks them me a talk about. Me don't know about nobody else locks, bro. Me head up on the screen.
Bad man,
me know fear locks them fake.
But me say, but me this say, I better not tell Swiftly that too.
Why me I go text Swissley and tell him say locks
And
them
I
fake?
text him, they say we go add him, you see, they say, alright, me I go add him and you go tell him.
If you end up on the screen, me just ask him now a simple question.
Okay, alright.
But why me I go text a man just to ask a man if he locks them fake or not?
This Swiftly there, Swiftly
This man I want me text you and ask you if he locks them fake or not. That makes sense.
Yo, we kill him.
Yo, bro, dog, stop for that Jayden, bro, dog.
Yo, figure it out. Yo, wicked na dog. You tell me say, my locks fake.
Me I tell Jayden
I
say
mean
locks
tell you
them
say
fake.
Swiftly me
And Jayden I say yo, I fear and him locks them fake together. Me not even know about Swiss or what go on for Swiss. This man should be name in there,
No, me believe you, bro.
You know me not tell no lie, brother. This man should be name in there.
Yo, figure it out, wicked the fuck.
Yo, what's that? You see yo. Oh boy, me I tell you.
No Swiftly, where are you?
Me
Me I
there,
did
dog.
everything good.
Yeah, bro, me there, we not doing it. Good?
Them man, I go and
There,
reason.
man, I go all the reason.
Them man, all the reason, you see it. But be a mind game I use, though.
So who are you mind game?
Figure it out, you might use mind game for me.
Swiss, I will have a trophy for that. Me there I learn from the best, yeah, me dog. Me there I learn from the best, bro.
So how you say me not the best now, you see? He might contradict himself.
I not contradict yourself, but you're the best in everything with body. You know see that?
What?
What good you're the best in, bro?
Angie, nobody left me.
You're the best for mix up. You're the best for... You're not best in nothing good, bro.
So who's the eating bad? Who's the eating bad? Is a fine, bro.
Eating a freestyle, bro.
Is a fine mindset me having a dog.
Yeah, big up yourself, bro.
Tell them I got foreign too.
No, me good, man. I don't have to eat for God foreign, bro.
No, but me I say, you don't want to go foreign too.
Yeah, but me not have to eat pum pum for God foreign,
Oh,
bro.
you're going to suffer. Wait.
Suffer. I me have a mindset to get my own things. Me not go depend on a woman. Me have to damn practice for live.
Watch on Swiftly. Watch on look on Swiftly. Swiftly lit the black one there. Look at him now.
Yo, bro, stop. Yo, cool off for them damn thing there, bro.
Okay.
Come on, Jayden, you can't just turn your life on there normal, like, no, I mean, no fish
Same thing me there, ask man, bro.
Every day you come in them thing there, bro, I'm tell you.
Every day.
Swiftly, let me tell you something, Swiftly. Yeah, you're a humble man. You see it?
I understand. I use a
Okay,
man.
I will not come on the live. You're not humble.
Sure,
So
understand.
if me name front, what you want me to do? Come on the live and say me not name front.
Sure.
Ask him. Him drink off one back already. Ask him.
So Swiss laughing. I want to tell you, brother, that no pass for a month gone.
Him drink off one back. When me and him have a whole light. Ask him.
Same grounds.
Grounds out to man, better just join me.
Yo, you take care of me, no man, no, brother, just one boy, sorry.
Right now, you get some duty. You get some duty. Tell me that.
I try to figure it out.
Not true. But you know when never tell me say you're a cup and stop me from drinking.
No, okay, that one put in a film link.
Then if me want to put in on my link, why would I stop you? Eh?
Why, bro? You know, I'm gonna come back. All of the reason, my doctor had us in your like, and I'll come back from that.
Nah, man, I'm tell you, them now bash me, you know why?
No, I know about Bash. I know about Bash. About what you and him like when me never see two and I run no joke and a back and forth. So I say,
Yeah,
when do
I'm tell you, Swisley, me and my son right now, you see, because why do? You see?
What?
Him don't know now. But you see, because
Yeah, just work at charge. What you talking about?
you see why? You see, him don't know why me and him connect, you know, Swisley. Him don't know why me and him connect, you know. But I can't drink off on back. He might wonder why he can't decline my request.
Oh.
Do me not offer me decline it, bro.
As you're sending me accept fast.
As me sending me accept, so him don't know.
You realize what him said, Swiss? As he send, me not send request.
Figure.
As he send.
Yo, which is that dog, yo, which is...
Hold on, no.
Yo, so what, you not send me request?
One time, you know that that job for you know. One time, me ever
No, but
what
yeah,
me
come
request
like
about?
say me alone send a request.
What me did request about again? Me request already, man.
Your
One
request
time.
around 5 times.
No, bro, one time. Talk it true, man. Me request. Me I accept it. Me request a one time.
Alright, you request me 1 time, I'm accept it. I want me say.
How you did say again?
Me say, yo, she bad at me now go add with him.
Oh,
And you jump.
You jump.
You see?
Yeah, real
You
chat.
notice, me not add Switzerland with nobody win a rate. I mean add you with nobody win a rate, bro.
Me notice, me realize.
That's a respect.
Sometimes.
But you don't respect me, dog.
What you talk about, my youth?
You don't respect me,
Yeah,
man.
but more you respect him, dog.
More you respect me, dog, you see?
What for your type of respect?
More you
man,
kneel down for your knee as a king.
Question.
No, I'm to the youth, man. We not get away. Get away, no dog.
We got
I'm talking
thoughts.
about
He
this,
said,
my
"Can't
youth.
message you. Why?"
You got thought, you see what I'm one day, them crown me.
Me text you. Me follow you back live. So you
I
can
know
text me.
Swiss link me, I say, yo, big up on that, you know. I know you don't link me on that.
Man, now if you want a life, why man I'll link you for one crowd for?
No, but if Mr. Swiss sleep on live, I don't fuck with me, I say, yo, Swiss, nobody with that, man. You see? Ask him.
Is there a time when Swiss had a fucker for
Then
life?
I must. You feeling
No, like
perfect?
if me
You really see that man
answer-
go on with nothing up in life,
if
brother.
me answer the certain thing, me text him and answer loud that alone and make them enjoy you.
And we text you and tell her that.
Yeah.
Oh, buckler, you clean me dog.
Let me clean. I tell him, man.
Yeah,
Bro,
that
man.
but Jayden, the whole part time we get trophy and him thing, and that's not to me that.
Bro, Swiss say, remember, you know, I put in laps. How will I do that?
Oh, so you look up to your dog then, Jayden?
Yeah, I look up over him, you see?
What?
Eh?
You look up to him?
Yeah,
Figure it out, figure it out.
What do you mean you look up over him?
Figure it out. You know, remember when I'm a birthday at the house where him say, you forgot? And the whole of we are reason.
Figure it out, remember?
Oh!
Figure it out. Remember we did that house and Swiss there, so yo, Jayden, we rate to the dog, I see it. You're the
Yo,
worst
are
thing
you
to
a
the
tell
dog.
man say you rate him?
Yeah.
Are you at them say look up to me and
Are
rate
you
me?
a tell man say look up to him when you at the house party? You same one.
Yo, yeah, me
I
I say
tell
that
man
man.
say look up to him. Your blood.
Yeah, man, I say that man. Me not pose and me say look up to me, bro. Look up to yourself, man.
Bro, you say it naturally, dog. Nobody may even force him. Swiss, they even force, nobody may force him. Jayden just come there and say it
Bad man,
naturally.
I reason what we are reason, see? And me I say me look up to Swiss Lee. And you say look up to me, dog. Let me show you, bro.
Me tell you, say me look up to you. Brother, the only thing me said that night, that me say me look up to Swiss in a way where the dog positive. And that me say, there is no way me can look up to you, Jayden. and
She
be
said
so-
that man give the man him trophy, dog.
No, bro, me can't look up to you, dog. And I
the
be a
man,
slap me say, come on.
yo, what's the figure out? The man there before you, you know. So everything
me
we do
dog.
already, I
Go on,
man,
brother,
we
give
are
Swiss.
talking
Brother,
about
give
FIFA.
Swiss in crown. And Swiss me a talk.
Oh,
Brother,
give me
Swiss
crown,
in
Mr.
crown.
What you talking about?
Come in and give me that crown. Me give dog in crown and I'm
We have
face. Me not
10,000
flip on
people that's
internet.
right now. Give me crown. No, where we hear it.
Bro, me give dog in crown and I'm face. Me not forgive a give
Yo,
on the internet.
the man I talk about you, Jayden, that bring me that.
I respect you to where it come from.
I mean,
bro.
sure, bro, respect
Swiss is
you.
a man where Swiss always over here push positivity, dog. And me tell the dog straight, say, bro, I respect that to the dog. And I saw me want to get my thing on track where me can stay positive too. That was the conversation. There is no way me will come to you and say
Swiss,
me
you have
look
a
up to
number?
Oh, no?
you. You have it.
The same man narrator. Man narrator.
I don't know if you do with the ratings,
Me
bro.
have Swiss number.
Yo,
Swiss
Yeah,
have
you
my
don't
number.
have
Me have Swiss
you don't
3 number then.
have
Swiss narrator.
Bro, anytime a dog come to Jamaica, we and the dog that.
Why is that? Because I'm me dog. Let me show you.
What?
Brother, I cause the respect out of me. Yo, Swiss
Bro, Swiss link me and Akeem on a different occasion and the dog will be like, yo, we are pull up there so make we roll.
Yo, Swiss come to me. Swiss come to me and say, yo, you and the youth are good. Me say, alright. That was me and no, bro. Me say, alright. Yeah, man. Me and the youth are good, bro. Make them dog are forward, bro.
I true, Jayden at that one, I true.
Yo, that you taste my you.
So figure it out. Oh, enough rate me, dog. I'm look much.
Yo, figure it out. The man is why you respect him, bro. Just give the man
respect me, dog. Right me and say, bro. Just respect me, bro.
All everything will go on. The man is why you respect him.
Yeah, dog.
Where that start, Bill, bro?
Yeah. When me start bill and fall off now, you give me money.
No, man, I know that me mean, bro.
Man, me company internet with
things are all bro. Watch out now. Let me be real and honest with you.
Mix up on them.
Me I be real and honest with you, Jayden. Chat, you see Jayden not told this me. I be real and honest. But Jayden ever show Akeem na some look a mix up. I them thing that make me draw from him. Him not told this me. But the dog always a neat style, my brother, in a some little way back then.
What kind of neat style?
What kind of neat? Oh, me stay. I can't dash your all face for new. I know my style like me. I remember my day one them when I come from scratch.
What's the figure out?
That's just the only thing that, bro.
Figure it out. Figure it out. Me tell you something. Me's a man. Yeah, so you were there for me before me broke. You see me get look money, me run them. You know why? I say you have to do your thing, bro. I show you, bro. Let me tell you. It's so make you to one level, dog, and you know, so people usually there for your dog. You run them, dog, and you see it, because bad mind go start forwarding.
That don't make no sense, bro. Them things that make people bad mind when you forgot where you come from, dog.
What say?
You say you have a day one them around here, bro. Why you think so much things happen to people out there? More while. Other mentality there, dog. You can't show your real ones them when you used to hungry and you used to get a plate of food.
You come from St. Mary, no?
Yeah.
Alright, you're there St. Mary, no?
You know that, brother?
You're there St. Mary, no?
Why you even know that?
No, you're there St. Mary, no?
Wait, what kind of investigation you do for me?
Bro, me and the police.
Why you know that?
Me and the police them are linked. Listen me now. Me ask you. You come from St. Mary, no?
Yeah.
And the youth them where is on the road? Them they run now?
No.
Okay, now sell them out, can you get rich, brother?
Because I said me my life. I said me my life start, bro. I said me my life start, Jayden. Over here.
Man, I said me your life start. You're born, I said me your life start, bro.
No, in another way there. Me glow up and me upliftment start when me in a Kingston, bro. You never start a St. Mary.
Okay,
you go through some of the hardest set of life them down there, so.
Alright. You go through the hardest life of St. Mary, no? And why you not go back to there?
Cause when you elevate, bro, you can't live in your place, dog. You have to come out of it.
Bro, you must have 1 and 2 that we're rating at the community, bro. Cause me come from Mobile.
Me come from Mobile, bro.
Me come from Mobile. Listen up, bro. You're informer. Listen up. Me come from Mobile. You see? And it's a Mobile now. Me can call the whole of village.
So make up your mind now. Either you go sell out your friend them, or either you go par with them.
As much as I feel like this, bro. Yo, watch out. We don't sell out people, bro.
Bro, your reason now make no sense. You not just say you have to run them.
Eh?
You not make no sense with the reason.
I start me that you to say what you do.
You can't start you style for me, bro. You
just say it. You just say it.
Say what? Regular thing me say.
Where Swiss come from?
Where you ask me?
Swiss, where you come from?
Somewhere in a town. Wow, who play the ball? What did do?
Swiss come from Marvally.
Yeah, what do you football?
And when Swiss come at Jamaica, what Swiss do? Marvally go first. You see?
Yeah.
And Swiss tough up the town.
Yeah.
And what you do? You do nothing, brother.
Eh?
You don't do nothing for your town, bro. I show you, bro. You can't forget the people when they did their fear first.
Yo, you forgot when the hurricane thing was first, me go? My hometown. With 1 bus load of things.
Why you go to them?
Why
you go to them? Because of fear.
Exactly.
Okay.
So I mean, I don't know for my place. Remember hurricane?
You're not going
to the community.
You're not going to generally.
That was the first place me visit.
Okay.
1 bus load in the community.
How long you left St. Mary?
How long? I left St. Mary from here 6.
Okay.
6 or 5 years old.
One time you say run with man a bush.
What?
One time you tell me say run with man a bush.
Oh, me and my dog. Me and my dog run
you and your dog. You see, me don't know who that. Bro, you see?
Told me dog there.
You okay?
Told me
You
dog
see?
there.
You say you run with people at bush.
Mm-hmm.
And you left St. Mary for
That's
your feet. And of course, the hurricane make you go back and give them thing, bro. You feel like the man them now pre you.
Jayden, 2 friend me there when my dad St. Mary. 2. And me 2 dog them the all fire. You see me? You rest of people, me still go back down there go help regardless. None of them there rate me.
How
Me
you do
still
that?
go
How
down
you do
there.
that? How you
Cause
do
I'm a
that?
community. Cause I down there me grow, bro.
Okay, then they grow. I want to catch you that.
I just me 2 dog them when me they been
So
apart
what
from
make you say
day
they no
one.
rate you
Man.
now?
Cause me just know the thing said.
No, man, you have to give you a reason, man.
Me no want give a reason. Me just know the thing said. But me dog them will rate me, man. Me have me dog them back, man, bro.
Yeah, man. You figure it out, as me say, you are real youth in a dog, you see.
No, you really out to man, dog. How you
Bro,
say?
what happened make you get bashing, you know, bro? You are real youth, man, you see.
Alright, where we are going on the topic?
No, we're not going to that, man. We're not
Which
going
way
to
you going on? Where you go?
No, we're not going to that, you see. Come rate it.
Yeah, last minute, come like fake
here.
here fast and
Bro,
film. Where you go with it?
That's
Then?
enough. Rate it 2-1, you know. Cause no one, you know. No one, you know.
You drunk?
Not junk.
You drink?
Me a drink Casamigo. Me a drink.
Get a hold of yourself.
Me a drink Danolio. Me a drink. Around 3 different drink. Me a drink all Magnum.
You ain't forget a hold of yourself, eh?
So Swiss, see Yankee, you answer?
I circle.
Ah, well,